Hi all, just a quick note. I kept saying episode 8 in this video and it's episode 9. Really should do my research. Episode 9, check it out. Hi everybody, Chef P here, episode 8, Tips Tuesday. Let's go. Get your drink, get in the kitchen. We got some good tips this week. 3 good tips this week. It's beautiful outside. You should be barbecuing. You should be getting ready for the week. So 3 things I really want to talk about. One is carryover cooking. And not in the same way as like you cook something and then it's going to keep cooking once you take it off the grill. I'll get into that in another video. I call it carryover cooking of like, I'll buy, say for my family of 5, I'll buy 10 chicken thighs. I'll cook all 10 today. Use 5 for supper tonight, and then I have 5 chicken thighs for anything coming up. It's beautiful today. I can barbecue, I can grill, I can cook, and then when it's raining, like in a day or 2, I can have barbecue chicken again, because even though I'll barbecue in the rain, it doesn't matter. It's good to have something like that ready to go. It also means you can rip up the chicken and put it in anything else. Put it on a pizza, put it in a pasta, put it in a chicken salad. There's plenty of opportunities. Restaurants do this all the time. They'll make a bunch of stuff and use it in multiple things. You always see that on the menu. If they have a bacon jam, it's probably on at least 3 things. It's not like they're making jam just for this bacon jam just for this one dish. They use it for a bunch of things. Do it at home. It helps out. We cooked sausages yesterday. I'm gonna make sausage pasta tonight. It's the best thing to do. Cook in bulk. Carry it over to another meal. Really easy to do, and if it's raining, then you have something else you're kind of looking forward to. And in a busy time in a lockdown, kids are home, why not? Then it's one less thing you have to worry about. Second tip, it's called batch cooking, and it's kind of, you can do it one of 2 ways. And what I like to do is, I'll boil up a few potatoes, I'll boil up some pasta, make pasta salad and potato salad, or boil up some potatoes and then throw them on the grill and split them up. But I'll batch cook a bunch of different things like that for things like pasta salad. So it's beautiful today. I can cook some chicken, have some pasta salad. We're busy this week. I already have the chicken that's in the fridge barbecued, make pasta salad and potato salad, and then I just need a leafy green salad or something of some vegetable on the side, and you're good to go. But batch them. Pick a day. If it's raining and there's nothing else to do, cook a bunch of stuff on the stove. That way you have some beans, some rice and beans. Then you can make burrito bowls. It doesn't matter what you're cooking, but do a bunch of like batch cooking. Makes your life easier. Just have a container in the fridge, and that way lunches are easy. If you're busy and you got stuff, you can just scoop it in, do stuff on the fly. It's really good. Third one, we're in week 2 of the lockdown. I hope you've taken this time to play around in the kitchen, and that's my 3rd tip for this week. You got to get out there and play. You have to try stuff. You can stay with your staples of meat and potatoes. That's great, but if you don't try anything new, you're gonna get bored. Especially if this lockdown goes even further, it's gonna be bad. You're gonna be eating the same thing over and over and over and over and over again, which isn't that bad. But your kids might not like it, and you could get bored of it. Why not pick one meal out of the like 14 or 21, depending on how you like to look at your menu, and try something new. At least one thing. Those are my 3 tips. I'm going to roll that last tip into one of the biggest things. Go to your local bookstore. Local, not big chain. Go to a local, go to a small one, do whatever. I know Chapters is a chain, but at least you're buying it in the store. It's going to the people that are working there, not online, going to the people somewhere else. Buy a book. Doesn't matter what it is. This one happens to be Cooking from the Hip. Go to the discount section, go to wherever, get a book, and just play with it. I've made stuff like this and then sold it in a restaurant. I've taken ideas from this book, not straight recipes, but ideas, and put them on menus because people like it. You can play around and try things. Get a discount $5 book, $10 book, and try something. The only way you're going to learn to get better, or if you like something, is to try it. There's lots of cookbooks. Don't say that you can't find any, because there's everybody. If you have a particular chef you like to follow on the internet or on TV or anywhere, get one of those. I have a couple of Gordon Ramsay's cookbooks. He's an amazing chef. There's no reason not to. He might be a dick on whatever you guys see on TV, and if you actually listen to him in interviews, that's all editing. That's not how he is. If you would work in my restaurant and you burn an entire pot of pasta, I'm going to yell at you the same way he did. It's like these people on his show are supposed to be chefs and chef de cuisines and sous chefs and all these things, and like, oh, I own my own restaurant. Then how did you burn a thing of pasta? You literally just threw money out. Like I can kind of see how it works. Chef P, Tips Tuesday, episode 8. Tell your friends, hit like, hit subscribe, share it. That's really all I want. If you don't subscribe, it doesn't matter. If the like seems to be what matters these days, and share it. Just share it. You don't even have to like it. Just share it. Share it on your wall. I know you've seen this on Facebook. That's how most of you people have found me. Just share it. Just hit share and enter. You don't have to put a caption. If you want to, you can put a caption. But 3 tips for this week: batch cook. Carry over your batch cooking so you can eat barbecue all week, or whatever you want to do. Cook a turkey, have whatever's your fancy. And then play. You got to try new things. You got to cut stuff up. You want something new to try? Go to the grocery store. Go to where they sell bananas. Get a plantain, not a banana, a plantain. Cut it up into long strips. Fry it in a frying pan. Throw a piece of fish in. Try it. It's delicious. You can do the same thing with chicken. Just try it. Chef P. See you next week.